Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your calendar. Okay, this is going to allow people to book in. So we're going to scroll all the way down to our settings. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to your integrations first off, and you'll want to hit connect right here to connect with your Google account so that it can integrate with your Google account. So you're going to hit connect. It's going to pull up a dialog box that you'll be able to sign in through Google, and it'll show up that it's connected here. Once you've done that, you can come over to calendars here, and you'll see that you already have a 15-minute and a 60-minute strategy session right here. What you can do is that you can hit edit. You can add a description. You can change the meeting location, and you can also link it to, you'll be able to link it to your calendar. Set up the duration of time if you want to adjust these things, if you want to only allow people to sign up for a date range of 14 days, or maybe it's just for 7 days, or maybe it's even for 3 days. It's really up to you. You can also adjust the available times, and this will check against your Google Calendar so that it doesn't double book you. You can create a custom form like we did before that they have to fill out, or it's just a standard form that has their name, phone number, and email. If you click use sticky contact, this is going to actually, if they have cookies enabled on their site, it's actually going to be able to pull in some information from the previous step. If they already filled out a form with you, it should be able to refill it. Sometimes it doesn't work 100%, depending on if they have ad blockers and things like that. So the rest of these settings you can adjust as you would like, but that's pretty much it. And what you can do, you can click this link right here, and it's going to open up a calendar, and people can literally start booking into your calendar right now. It's that simple. Okay, and then again, in the next few days, we're going to talk about how to activate some triggers that fire off, that make sure people get added to some of the appointment reminder campaigns. So you'll want to make sure that you continue on step by step each and every day. It's really simple. It's really short to do, but I'm giving you these in bite-sized chunks so you can really make sure that you accomplish them.